The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. The magnificent light of the mirror of total luminosity, the essence of perfected wisdom, and the great primordial circle, for both ourselves and others, are perfected in the dominion of wisdom. Like a lord over all the kings, a holy guru is a Vajra. He is Vajrasattva truly present. His magical words are a lamp for our awareness. He opens the door of his breast, a house of jewels, and introduces us to the meanings of the symbols for the unborn. He places us on levels that we do not travel to reach. He shows us an embodiment of the Dharma that does not die. Through the window of a knowledge that understands that the self-luminous sun pervasively encompasses all things, he opens the broad door of jewels, and will confer on us, Vajrasattvas, hearty elixir, throwing open the doors of awareness conjoined with method. He teaches us the Upadesha on secret wisdom, using an awareness that has no verbal sounds to place us in self-luminescent sunlight. He introduces us to a fruition that is not related to a search or practice. This sort of teaching master must not be abandoned, even though we must give up our bodies, lives, powers, our flesh, bones, and blood for an eon. What need is there to mention our children, spouses, troves of wealth, male and female servants? If we do not hold to what is holy and victorious, we might become learned in innumerable tantras, but we will die, and when our hearts are not connected, we will surely fall onto the Vajra needle. It moves quickly as if it were crossing a border. Once we have fallen into the depths of samsara, there will be no possibility that we have a chance to be free without our depending on this holy being. According to the Upadesha of the oral transmission of the great perfection, those who do not have a guru's Upadesha are practicing with an understanding built on false ideas. It is certain that they will fall. There is no doubt. We may explain this Upadesha on our most secret hearts, this Tantra that equals the end of the sky, to people who are naturally evil, those with little learning, those who are not accustomed to grammar, people of the inferior vehicles, those who ridicule Vajra masters, those who insult their Vajra kindred, those who ridicule the significance of self-luminosity, those who work towards sources of great profit and repute, those who are pleased with meaningless sounds, those who want the Master's empowerment for no reason. But we will be assembled, being summoned by a Damaru drum, in the charnel ground of the land of Damshod, for the gathered conversations of the Dakini's ears.